Vyasadeva explained it. You see Sutra and its commentary. In Sutra it is said, the attraction or liking which is accompanying pleasure is raga. In whichever or whomever you have the expectation of some pleasure or joy, you like it. Do you like chili? Swamiji, I don't like. Do you like chili? Yes, I like. Why? It gives some pleasure in eating. Swamiji, do you like salt? Little salt is good. Why? It gives little pleasure. It tastes good. So this liking is coming to us, whether it is about object, about individuals, about incident, about place. This liking is coming to us how? Vyasadeva is telling, Sukha abhijnasya sukhanusmriti purvaha sukhe tat sadhane ba yoho gardha trusna lobhaha saragaha iti. He gave this explanation of this sutra. Sukha abhijnasya, one who knows what pleasure is, he can tell it is pleasurable. Sukha abhijnasya. So abhijna means one expert in enjoyment, an expert in experiencing pleasure or happiness. Sukha abhijnasya. Now tell me, you have experience of pleasure or not? Yes, Swamiji. We have experience of pleasure. And wherever we found little pleasure, we wanted to have that again and again. It is not that just I experienced once. I have experienced many times. So because of this tendency in a person or this experience in a person, we all are experienced in enjoyment. Every individual is expert in enjoyment. Sukha abhijnasya. So, yes, we are expert in enjoyment. What happens? Sukha anusmriti purvam. Purva sukha anusmriti. What is happening? We have the memory of our happiness or pleasure of the past. We have the memory of past pleasure. It is remaining in the head. We have enjoyed. Not only we have enjoyed, we have become an expert in enjoyment. We carry the memory of our enjoyment. Because of that past memory, when my mind is craving, maybe if I'll have this food today, it will be nice. Maybe if I see that person today, it will be enjoyable. Maybe if we'll have no class today, I can go to sea beach. So this urge within, desire within coming, your attraction, your attachment, your liking, your urge, your expectation to have those objects or people or incident or anything which has given some pleasure in the past, you want to have it, and because of that you have developed some liking towards them. You have developed liking towards whether it is people, whether it is place, whether it is product or things. This liking is coming from your past memory, past enjoyment, and you have developed some liking in it.